Hey everyone, I'm Bhavna Kumar. Welcome to my channel Bhavna's Platform. How to speak in English fluently. Well, you should know grammar. Before proceeding to the video, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss out an update. What is grammar? Grammar is the science that deals with the correct use of the language both in conversation and writing. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Okay? A sentence is divided into two parts, namely subject and predicate. The part of a sentence which has a noun or a pronoun is called as a subject, and the part of a sentence which describes the subject is called predicate. Let us consider a few examples to understand this better. He is singing. He is a subject. Is singing is predicate. She is dancing. She is the subject. Is dancing is predicate. Got it? Phrase. A phrase is a group of words which make sense but not complete sense. It does not have a subject and a predicate of its own. Let us consider a few examples. To look after, to put off. In my previous video, I have discussed about the most commonly used phrases. Okay? The link is in the description below. Please watch it. Now that you know what is a phrase and a sentence, we will discuss the different types of sentences. Okay? A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called as a declarative or an assertive sentence. It basically tells you a fact or it gives you an information. Okay? For example, the sun rises in the east, right? It's a fact. I cannot tell the sun rises in the west, right? So the sentence which talks facts, also it gives the information, is called a declarative or assertive sentence. Got it? Now let us consider the next example. The earth rotates around its own axis, right? It's a fact and it's also an information. So this type of sentence is known as assertive or declarative sentence. Lalit Mahal is in Mysore and Taj Mahal is in Agra. All these are declarative or assertive sentences. A sentence which asks question is known as an interrogative sentence. Examples are: where do you live? What is your name? How old are you? All those are questions, right? It's followed by a question mark. A sentence which expresses a command, request or wish is called as an imperative sentence. Please give me your pen. That's a request. Get out of my room. That's an order. Got it? These type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. A sentence which is used to express sudden or strong feeling is known as an exclamatory sentence. Example: how beautiful the sky is. What a beautiful flower. Okay? You are exclaiming the beauty and it is always followed by an exclamation mark. That brings us to the next topic, parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now, noun is a name of a person, place or a thing. Example, Bhavana, Taj Mahal, Mysore. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Example, he, she, they, etc. Rama is walking. Here, Rama is noun, right? He is walking. He is a pronoun. You understood? Where is this he used? In the place of noun. So, a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Adjective. A word which qualifies noun is called as an adjective. Example, Ram is tall. So, tall is qualifying the noun Ram. So, tall is an adjective and Ram is noun. Okay? Karthik is a brave boy. Okay? Karthik is noun and brave is what? An adjective. Got it? A verb is something which describes the action of a noun or a pronoun. For example, he is dancing. Okay? He is a pronoun. So, what is he doing? He is dancing. Dancing is a verb. So, a verb is something which describes the actions of a noun or a pronoun. Here it's describing the action of a pronoun. Now, Sita is singing. Sita is noun. Singing is verb. So, a verb is something which describes the action of a noun or a pronoun. So, here Sita is noun. Got it? Adverb is something which describes how an action is done. He runs fast. He is pronoun, runs is verb, fast is an adverb. She solved the sum quickly. Okay? So, solved is verb, quickly is an adverb. Got it? A word which is used to define the position of an object is called as a preposition. For example, the book is on the table. So, on is preposition. I am in my house. Okay, I am obviously inside my house. So, I am in my house. Here, in is a preposition. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two words or sentences. Example, Karthik and I are best friends, which is conjunction here. And he ran fast but missed the train. Here, but is conjunction. Interjection is a word used to express some sudden feelings. Example, oh my god! Hooray! We won the match. Alas, he's dead. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below. Also stay tuned for part 2.